Have you ever wished you could see your business performance at a glance? Like a dashboard for your car, but for your entire company? Well, that's what business intelligence dashboards are all about. Today, we're demystifying business intelligence dashboards and exploring how they provide real-time insights to empower smarter business decisions. Welcome back to Demystifying IT Jargon, where we make complex tech terms easy and actionable. I'm Danny Perry, and today we're taking a closer look at how BI dashboards can transform the way you view your business data. Let's start by breaking down what a business intelligence dashboard is. Essentially, it's a tool that visualizes your company's key data metrics in one place, allowing you to track performance and identify trends. Imagine having all the important information about your sales, operations, and customer engagement right at your fingertips. A BI dashboard does just that. It takes data from various sources and displays it visually, helping you make data-driven decisions faster. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire business. Everything from your monthly revenue to customer satisfaction scores is updated in real time, giving you the insights you need to keep your business on track. Now, why are BI dashboards so crucial for businesses today? In a world overflowing with data, it's easy to get overwhelmed. BI dashboards solve this by simplifying data, providing the clarity needed to act quickly. With a well-designed dashboard, you're not just looking at numbers, you're seeing actionable insights, like which products are performing best, which processes need improvement, and where you might have opportunities for growth. They help you answer questions like, are we on track to hit our targets this quarter? How's our customer service doing compared to last month? Are there any emerging trends we should be aware of? This visibility is invaluable, especially for decision makers who need a quick yet comprehensive overview to guide their strategies. What data would you love to see on a BI dashboard for your business? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about the metrics that matter most to you. So how do you get the most out of a BI dashboard? Here are some best practices. First, focus on what matters most. It's easy to fall into the trap of tracking too many metrics, but a great BI dashboard prioritizes the key performance indicators or KPIs that align with your business goals. Next, make sure your dashboard is user-friendly. It's not just about having data, it's about making that data understandable for everyone in your organization. Use visual elements like graphs and color coding to quickly convey meaning. Lastly, keep it dynamic. Your business evolves and your BI dashboard should too. Regularly update your metrics and data sources to make sure your dashboard is always delivering relevant, actionable insights. A business intelligence dashboard is a powerful tool that turns complex data into simple, meaningful insights. What challenges are you facing with managing your business data? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're finding value in our series. Next week, we're diving into distributed denial of service attacks, or DDoS, exploring how they work and how you can protect your business from these large-scale disruptions. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thanks for tuning in to Demystifying IT Jargon. I'm Danny Perry, reminding you that the right tools can make a world of difference in transforming your data into insights. See you next time.